Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to send money using not fully verified GCash account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your GCash and log into your account. Once you are in, you just need to click on this send money button. Now keep in mind, I don't have a fully verified account. As you can see, I have only basic level. If you have a semi-verified account, you will be able to click on the send money button, and then you need to tap on GCash peddler option and enter your credentials and tap the next option. Also note that while you can send money with an unverified account, the transaction limits are lower compared to a fully verified account. Alternatively, you can use the send with a clip feature, so you just need to click on view all services. And as you can see, we have the option of send with the clip. You just need to click on this, and then you need to enter the details, attach a clip, and then tap on next and send the money. Now at the end, ask the recipient to claim the money. So that's basically how you can send money using not fully verified GCash account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.